If you're striving for powerful legs or seeking balance and grace, then this practice is perfect for you. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to you. In today's practice, we're going to be doing a series of asanas and targeted movements, which is going to help challenge and strengthen your lower body. So we'll begin the session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel. Palms come to rest on our thighs or knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, noticing your seat, thighs, legs, feet in contact with your mat. Again, inhale. Create a lot of length in your spine. Completely exhale, releasing any tension, any tightness in your lower body. One more breath in through your nose. Completely exhale through your mouth, letting your lower body sink into the mat. Breath in, breath out. Reach your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Drop your head back. Turn and twist towards your right. Reach your right hand up. Drop it down. Again, breath in. Reach up. Twist to the other side. Left hand all the way up. And release. Now grab hold of your right foot in your palm. Left palm. Right knee in your right palm. And just moving side to side. 3, 2, see that you're not sinking into your lower back, keeping it straight. And for those of you who can go deeper and your legs feel more flexible, you can rock it side to side. 1. Now grab hold of your feet, kick your feet forward, bring it back, just in whichever direction you feel comfortable. Move. 3, 2, and 1. Release. The other leg, grab and hold, up to you, in your palms or in the crook of your elbows. Sit tall, rock side to side. 2, 1, grab hold, kick it out. Straight and to the side and drop it down. From here, swing your legs to one side, come on to your knees and palms. Arch your back, chin just gaze forward, press your toes into the mat. Hips in the direction of the wall, behind you, knees nicely bent, abdomen resting on your thigh, palms stretched out, hold. You can drop your feet flat or heels stay raised, it's up to you. Can drop down. Arch. Can press into the earth. 3 of this. 2 more. Deep bend in your knees. And 1. Straighten. Now bend your right knee, straighten your left. Bend your left, straighten your right. 5 of this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk your hands back. Bring it towards your feet. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Forward fold. And inhale. Halfway lift. Exhale. Forward. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Now walk your hands forward. Legs nice and wide. Drop your feet flat.
Try to bring the crown of the head towards the mat or your forehead towards the mat. And 1, breathe in. Completely breathe out. Right foot between your palm. Adjust your back leg. The toes are pointing, diagonally to the mat. Inhale, come up. Virabhadrasana. Knees stacked over your ankle. Arms in line with your shoulder. Gaze at your fingertips. Breath in. Completely breathe out. Straighten your knee. Drop your hands towards the mat. The other hand comes up. Gaze at your fingertips or forward. Triangle pose. If you can, grab your ankle. Completely up to you. If you need to adjust your back leg. Inhale. Completely exhale. Bend that knee. Breathe in. Back again. Virabhadrasana. Inhale. And exhale. Straighten. Triangle pose. Hold. 1, 2. Bend the right knee. Drop your feet flat. Reach that left hand all the way over your ears. Side angle stretch. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. And 1. Press into the earth. Inhale. Straighten. Arms like the letter T. If this is painful in your shoulder, drop, roll your shoulders. Move your head to either side. Again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Straighten. Drop into your triangle. 2. And 1. Press your palms into the mat. Bend your knees. Reach and stretch. 3, 2, 1. Press. Straighten. Reach your hands forward. Looking towards the right side of your foot. Drop down. Pyramid. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Once again, inhale. As you exhale, drop your belly. You're wrapping or letting your abdomen collapse onto your thigh, forehead onto your knee. Bend your knees. Last time, Virabhadrasana. Gaze at your fingertips. Straighten. Trikonasana. Triangle pose. You can choose where you want to keep your gaze. 2 and 1. Bend the knee. Palms flat. Reach and stretch. 2 and 1. Inhale. Come up, straighten. Turn and look towards your right foot. Drop and wrap yourself over your thigh. And 1. Bend that knee. Inhale. Come up. Spin your right toe to the right side of the mat. Left if you need to. Come slightly closer. We're going to go into our goddess pose, Devi Asana. Reach your hands out. Breathe out. Come into your goddess pose. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Down. 2 and 1. Squeeze. Up. Reach your hands up. Now, turn your left foot towards the left side. Inhale. Virabhadrasana. 2 and 1. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. 1 more. Straighten. Drop. Hold. You may hear some crack and pop sounds. Look up or towards the floor, whatever works for you. Nice stretch on the inside of your thigh. Bend. Inhale. Virabhadrasana. Just as you breathe in, noticing, engaging your lower legs.
we just have legs. Engaging your lower body, noticing strength radiating all through our lower body. Straighten the knee, drop down, triangle pose. Breathe in, completely breathe out. 1, bend the knee, press your palm on the inside, reach and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Cartwheel back up. In straighten, go into just flowing through this dynamic asanas. 2 and 1. Straighten, drop, triangle, trikonasana. And 1. Bend, drop and reach. Stretch. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up, turn and look over, adjust. If you need to, over your left, drop your hands, wrap. Breathe in, completely breathe out, forehead towards your knee. Bend your knee, inhale, come all the way up. If you lose balance, you're wobbly, that's completely okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Straighten, drop down into trikonasana, triangle pose. 1, bend the knee, reach and stretch. Uttita Parshvottanasana. Uttita Parshvakonasana. Come up, turn and twist, hands up. Your pyramid, Parshvottanasana. Breathe in, completely breathe out. Inhale, come up, walk your legs slightly in. You need to heel toe yourself in, toes to either side of the mat. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling and stay there. If you can, this time raise your right foot, raise your left foot, hold. 3, dropping your tailbone towards the earth, you're not leaning forward. 2 and 1, release. Turn and look towards the left side. Drop your palms on the mat. Stretch back. Breathe in. 2 and 1. Now, take your right leg, right knee behind your right palm. Right foot behind your left palm. Stretch out. Hands come to rest. Breath in. Completely breathe out. Every time you exhale, you're sinking deeper into the pose. And if you can, move forward, drop your chin to chest, forehead on the mat. Breathe out. And 1. Press into the mat. Engage. Shake your legs out. This time the other foot. Left knee behind your left palm. Left foot behind your right palm. Initially, your heel may be closer. That's fine. Eventually, try and bring it parallel to your mat. One thing, remember that you're not shifting all your weight onto your left hip. You are distributing weight on both your legs. 2, 1. Forward. Inhale. Completely exhale. This is one more pose that you can practice on your bed. The mattress, has that give, so you can sink deeper into your pose. It's a great hip opener. And 1, roll up. Swing your legs forward. Open your legs nice and wide. Come to lie down in Savasana. Just noticing your breath. Noticing how your body feels. Becoming aware of your thoughts. Stay here for as long as you feel like. And end the session by chanting one round of Om. Rest my right hand on my belly, left on my chest. Inhale, and as you exhale, Om. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale through your mouth. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoy more videos like this focusing on different parts of the body, I have it up here. If you have more time, you can actually, they are very short videos, so you can club and do a 1 hour or a 45 minutes practice combining all the videos together. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you think this is helpful to somebody you know, please share. It really helps my channel grow. Namaste.